Good afternoon. It is August the 25th, the last weekend, next to last weekend of the summer. Time to wrap up today and take a look at Monday. Hypothetical simulated performance results have certain limitations, like an actual performance circuit. Simulated results do not represent actual trading. Also, trades have not been executed, so it's may have under or overcompensated for the impact of any of certain market factors, such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are also subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profit or losses similar to those shown. Okay, the bond went out at 159.18.19. We had guessed 156.16, so we got pretty close to that. Draghi's comments have taken the euro higher. The bond and gold are lower, and the mini is trying to trade up here off of those comments, but not with a whole lot of enthusiasm. Okay, we came in this morning. Sell was 49 to 51. And our buy was 40 to 42. Caught the buy perfectly. Didn't have a lot to work with today. Retest failure, buy, plus, sell, plus, triple bottom down here. We got long at 44.50. Didn't go anywhere quickly, so we got out. But if you had infinite patience, you could have rung the bell on that one. So again, knowing where support and resistance are is our forte, and we came in pretty well on that. Higher low, higher high. F1 says we can trade higher on Monday. Draghi got us back up to our 49 area. That's about it. So just in a trading range, waiting for the next piece of news to take us higher, in my opinion. Probably will be associated with the taxes and their floating trial balloons. But it's the same trial balloon they floated all summer long. So got a weird shaped profile here. You could read it P or B. This M split. Leaning B right now. So we'll make 50-52, sell 1. 54 on the assumption that closes right here. 56, sell 2. On the buy side, 43-45, buy 1. And 39 to 41, buy 2. Looking at the note, trading range, trying to trade higher. Resistance held. Definitely a P, but we're at the top of the trading range. So our 27 to 31. Sell 1, 3 to 7, sell 2. On the buy side, 17 to 21. 9 to 13. Looking at the 30-year, 16 to 20, 1, 23, 27, sell 1, 31.03, sell 2. On the support side, 4 to 8, 29 to 01, buy 1, and buy 2, 17 to 21. Looking at gold. Outside day can trade it either way. Big day in gold. Big reversals. People had fun banging today's market. We're looking for a new move out of the 92 area. We got resistance at 113, 1300 even. We got pretty good support below 1285. So pretty tight range. Looking for the next move. 99 to 01. Sell 1. 4 to 6, sell 2. Just leaning against resistance. 90.92 buy 1. 85.87 buy 2. Looking at crude oil. Again, the bias was to the upside today because of the hurricane. And we closed it strong, so there's a reluctance to go home short. Inside day, trading range. F1 screen is leaning towards a sell. And didn't have a whole lot to work with today when you get right down to it. Leaning P, that's about all you can say about it. So be right where we were this morning. 48, 48 and a quarter, sell 1. 50 to 75, sell 2. 47 and a quarter, 47.50 buy 1. 46.75, 47 buy 2. And last but not least, the euro. Draghi's comments broke us out to the upside. And he can move the market 1 to 3 points, full points. And you can see the breakout came at 1830 and we got up to 1958. So he just buy stop or sell stop in when you break out of the range when he picks up the mic and you get slipped, but there's a lot left on the table. So if we're to close right here, we'd be selling 1950s. 75 would be sell 2. On the buy side, we'd be buying 1900, 1910, buy 1. Then 1875. 1885 by 2. That does it for August the 25th. I'll see y'all bright and early Monday morning. Y'all have a great weekend, and let's keep our thoughts and prayers for those people in Texas, and hopefully that most of the hype was by the news announcers, etc., and a lot of the bad stuff's predicted does not come through on the ground. I'll see you bright and early Monday morning.